Virginia City is a historic mining town located in the state of Nevada. The town is renowned for its rich history, particularly during the 19th century mining boom. Virginia City was founded in 1859 with the discovery of the Comstock lode, one of the richest silver veins in the world at the time. The discovery of silver led to a rapid influx of miners, prospectors, and fortune seekers, transforming Virginia City into a bustling hub of activity. Today, Virginia City is a popular tourist destination known for its well-preserved 19th century architecture, historic sites, and museums. Visitors can explore the town's mining heritage, visit old saloons, and take guided tours to learn about the area's fascinating history. The town is located in the high desert region of Nevada, amidst picturesque landscapes, making it a unique destination for history enthusiasts and travelers interested in the Wild West era. As you approach Virginia City in your car, you'll notice the landscape changing from the vast Nevada desert to rolling hills surrounding the town. As you drive down the main street for the first time, you'll be transported back in time. The street is lined with meticulously preserved 19th century buildings, some made of weathered wood and others built with brick, each telling a tale of the town's rich history. You'll see vintage storefronts adorned with rustic signs, inviting you to explore antique shops, art galleries, and charming boutiques. The atmosphere is vibrant, with tourists and locals alike wandering the streets, creating a lively and welcoming ambience. The aroma of hearty meals from local restaurants might waft through the air, tempting you with the sense of delicious, homely cooking. You might hear the clip-clop of horse-drawn carriages, adding to the town's old-world charm. As you continue down the main street, you'll encounter historic landmarks, including the famous Bucket of Blood Saloon and the Piper's Opera House, both of which have stood the test of time and hold fascinating stories within their walls. The backdrop of the surrounding hills, often dotted with remnants of old mines, creates a picturesque scene. In the distance, you might catch glimpses of the vast Nevada landscape, reminding you of the town's remote and rugged location. Overall, driving down Virginia City's Main Street for the first time is like stepping into a living history. My first stop in Virginia City was St. Mary in the Mountains Catholic Church and Museum, a prominent landmark in the town's skyline since its construction in 1870. This church stands out among the historically restored churches in Nevada, showcasing impeccable preservation after enduring various disasters. As Nevada's first Catholic church, it continues to function as an active religious institution, welcoming visitors to explore a free museum in its basement. The museum provides insights into the church's history, Catholicism in Nevada, and life during Virginia City's booming years. Stepping inside feels like a journey to 1877. Notable features include the original pre-1875 fire pewter baptismal and a lavish Czechoslovakian gas chandelier which remained unchanged until its electrification in 2009. It's a must-visit for anyone interested in experiencing the rich history of Virginia City. Nestled in the heart of downtown Virginia City on historic C Street, this eatery offers more than just delectable pizzas. It's a testament to the town's vibrant history. As one of the few restaurants open after 5 p.m., it becomes a hub of activity, especially with the added allure of nightly live music. The establishment, once known as the Comstock House and built by Henry Comstock himself, witnessed the town's transformation from the Silver Rush era to the vibrant 1960s music scene. During the 1950s, Virginia City experienced a slowdown after mining opportunities dwindled. However, in the 1960s, the town came alive again, thanks to the influence of proto-hippies who embraced live rock music at venues like the Red Dog Saloon. In 1965, the Charlatans Band performed here, pioneering the Red Dog experience, marked by psychedelic light shows and blurring the lines between performers and audience. Today, the Red Dog Saloon continues its musical legacy, hosting open mic Wednesday evenings at 7:30 and live performances on weekends. Beyond its musical charm, the restaurant serves a diverse menu featuring an array of pizzas, salads, antipasto platters, sandwiches, chicken wings, nachos, and more. Moreover, the Red Dog Saloon boasts an impressive selection of specialty sodas, beers, wines, and cocktails. The Silver Queen Hotel in Virginia City stands out not just as one of the most haunted lodgings in the town, but also in the entirety of Nevada. Constructed in 1876, this historic hotel, the oldest in Virginia City, exudes a vintage charm with its brass beds, sweeping 100-mile views, and a magnificent portrait crafted from thousands of silver dollars. The spirit of Rosie, the former resident, Lady of the Night, is rumored to make appearances in Room 11 and on the staircase. On the hotel's main level, guests can experience the allure of an 1870s saloon, complete with a counter and back bar that was so immense they were constructed within the saloon itself. The space is adorned with the iconic 15-foot-tall Silver Queen statue, comprised of 3,261 Comstock silver dollars. Additionally, there's a unique feature, a crypt-turned-wedding chapel that offers Old West-style ceremonies and even paranormal investigations for those seeking an extraordinary experience.